Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to update your MetaMask wallet and make sure your server is running the latest version. First, visit the official MetaMask Developer page and check for updates. Keeping your wallet updated ensures maximum security and smooth performance. Next, connect your MetaMask wallet. Once connected, automatic server updates will begin. In this latest version, you'll find several improvements, including new features, important changes, and fixes for known errors and issues. Now, I used an older MetaMask in my Opera browser just for this tutorial. When I connected my MetaMask, an alert message appeared. So now I'll click Update and continue. After updating, all cache in my browser was removed. That's why I had to re-enter my secret recovery phrase. Once I did that and clicked Update, MetaMask confirmed I was on the latest version. Finally, connect your MetaMask again to confirm the update. If you're still on an older server, you'll need to update it manually by following the provided steps. If you're already on the latest version, you'll see a message confirming your server is up to date. And that's it! Your MetaMask wallet is now updated and ready to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.